Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for World War Z, or Z, if you're anywhere else in the world. But yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Zombie co-op is always good. So, you know, killing zombies and stuff in co-op, it's good. So anyway, here's the front, World War Z. This side. And there's the back, Outlive the Dead. 4-player co-op. Hundreds of zombies. Character progression. Co-op story. Player versus player. Zombie horde, that's cool. So it is Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD. And then the Xbox Live multiplayer is 2 to 8, and Xbox Live co-op is 2 to 4, as well as single player. Install size is up to 19 gig. And inside, we just have the disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for World War Z/Z. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and please do be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.